So I have here my parts, my base, my square peg, my triangle peg, my round peg. Um, I'll show you. I'm going to delete this so you can see me make the second side. I want to make sure that my base is grounded. So if I right click, it should say ground apparent, but I don't want to unground it. I want it, it's already ground. So that means it's not moving. So I'm going to make a copy of this side just simply by going right click, copy, and then up here, right click, paste. Capture position, and then I'm just going to move it, move this window over. I'm going to move it over, and then I'm actually going to rotate it 180 so it's the right direction there. Okay, so now I have this part and that part, the two sides. So I want to do a rigid joint so that this is permanently attached to this without moving. So in the assemble menu, here's the joints. So I'm going to click joint, and in motion, I want it to be rigid. So I'm going to go into this, but I might need to rotate around so that it's right in the middle on this inside part right here. So can you tell which part I'm in? Right there. So see that it's like the back of that slot where it's going to sit on here. Then I'm going to click, select the second one is right here. No, that didn't work. Let me try that again. All right, so I'm going to do assemble, joint, and I want the middle of this and the middle of this side. There. So just make sure you select the middle of each so it's in the right spot. And then notice it's rigid, so then it won't move. I'm push OK. Then I'm going to do another joint, assemble joint. Nope, that's not right. So I'm going to select the same spot on this one, and then this other side of the side right here. Okay, so now those are permanently attached. Now I want to put this in the slot and make it go up and down. So I'm going to go, let's do triangle first. I'm going to go from this view. All right, so triangle, rectangle, circle. All right. So I'm going to go assemble joint, but now this time I'm going to do slider. And I'm going to first select the edges I want to connect. So I want to connect the top edge of this to this edge here. So I'm going to click this and this. And now I'm going to go to motion, and you can see what the motion is. So that doesn't look right. So I'm going to switch the axis, maybe this one. Whoop. Yep. So you can also limit the min and max of it. So oops. Minimum, I'm going to do minimum 0, maximum 6. Let's see how that goes. So mess around with the numbers here. This has to be smaller than this number. And now notice it won't come out of the slot. So that is that joint. So I'm going to go push OK. And now it stays in that spot. Do the same thing with the circle. Assemble joint. I'm going to this time select the circle here at the top. The circle. I'm going to select the circle here. And then it goes in. And that's going the correct direction. And then in motion, I'm going to put a minimum or a maximum of 6. Let's see if that works. Nope. So I need to go minimum of 6, maximum, oh wait, no. Minimum of -6, maybe it's -6 and 0. And let's see if that is good. It kind of depends on where you connected to originally. So you can just kind of mess around with the min and max till it looks like good. Boop, boop, boop. So that goes in and out. And now the last one is my square. So I'm going to do a joint. Motion is still slider. I'm going to click this. I'm going to move this over. Cancel. I'm going to move this so you can see it better. All right. So I'm going to go assemble joint. I'm going to click the side of the square and the side of the slot. And notice that's the wrong motion. So I'm going to go back to motion. I'm going to choose Y. That's good. And then notice when it does the preview that it goes low. So let's do maximum 6. Good. All right, that looks good. Okay, so that's it. Mess around with the min and max. If two parts are moving together, most likely they somehow got nested into each other. So make sure each of the parts is separately listed underneath the main board. And make sure that in your original product there's no sketches. This like shouldn't be a sketch right here. So there shouldn't be any sketches under your original thing. There should just be round pegs, triangle peg, base, side, square peg, side. And you can call like left side, or right side, left side, whatever. So that's that. Let me know if you have questions.